Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome home to this two-story, three-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom, spacious house in the cool hills of Clermont, St. Mary. This house sits on a well-suited large lot of approximately 20,204 square feet in size. Some features of this house includes a garage, aluminum awnings, grilled for security purposes, spacious kitchen, open dining area, nice landing space for gathering, balcony, and much more. With your personal touch, this can become your dream home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.